Hey there, check out the M-Teeth Sonic Electric Toothbrush X5 series, designed for adults with sensitive gums. It features 3 cleaning modes: soft, clean, and white, to suit your unique dental needs. The powerful motor delivers up to 35,280 vibrations per minute for effective plaque and stain removal. With a 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, just 6 hours of charging lasts an impressive 90 days. The smart timer guides you with a 2-minute brushing routine and 30-second intervals for thorough cleaning. This toothbrush is water-resistant, quiet under 60 decibels, and includes 3 DuPont brush heads with protective covers. Plus, it comes with a USB charging cable and a user manual, making it an excellent choice for your daily oral care. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.